Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add UAE new currency symbol with image in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is UAE new currency symbol. This symbol does not yet have a code point in Unicode for use with computer font. So that's why we are using image and we are going to display new currency symbol Dirham in WooCommerce WordPress on all location including shop, product page, card page, checkout page, all everywhere. If this currency symbol has Unicode like dollar sign, then you can use this code. You will find this video link in video description. So you can add currency symbol here, new UAE currency symbol Dirham here, like we paste dollar symbol, euro symbol, but now you see no Unicode created for this symbol. So we are going to use image. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it, and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. So we are going to add custom code with image, and then you see select the code type for your snippet. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title, then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see image URL, so you can add your image URL. So this is our currency symbol new Dirham URL image. Now you see, and then you see display inline block, vertical align middle. So you can set width and height for image symbol according to requirement. Now you see, so we added our custom URL image. Now you see, and then you see currency AED we are using. Now you see United Arab Emirat Dirham AED we are using. Now go to custom code again. Now you see command, so you can read it. On some location image not display. If we display image on some or few location in WooCommerce, then order place not done. So you can read all comments, and then you see important, do not add HTML image tag into filter that affect subtotal, total, shipping method, label or order calculation. Now you see we don't add here in this filter. If we add image in this filter, then order place not done. We will see error on checkout page, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. When this new UAE currency symbol Dirham Unicode created or generated, then you can use this code and then you can paste currency symbol like this. So you can copy dollar symbol. Now back to code, so you can paste here if Unicode is generated. So you can add new currency symbol, but for now there is no Unicode for new currency symbol. So our snippet created and saved. Go to shop page, refresh the page, go to single product page, refresh the page. Now you see new currency symbol show in single product page. Go to shop page, again you see show. So we are going to add product in cart, so click on it and then click on view cart. So we are in cart page, again you see symbol. Now click on checkout. So in checkout page again you see currency symbol, but in custom code in important section comments you see do not add HTML image tag into filter. Now you see don't show currency symbol here. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.